Looking to elevate your wine opening game? Whether you're hosting friends or treating yourself after a long day, choosing the right tool can make uncorking a breeze or a chore. Today, we're counting down the top 3 best wine openers, from effortless lever models to sleek electric designs. Let's pop those corks with ease. 1. Rabbit Original Lever Corkscrew Wine Opener. The Rabbit Original Lever Corkscrew, often dubbed the iconic Rabbit style, is a sleek, sturdy lever-style opener that promises smooth, fast performance. With its grip handles around the bottleneck and a lever motion that pops corks in mere seconds, it's engineered for simplicity and speed. It's been tested for reliability with up to 20,000 cork pulls, made from a durable combination of polycarbonate, metal, and nylon, and includes a foil cutter and extra spiral for added convenience. Currently, pricing hovers around $25 for the full lever-style ensemble, though the iconic version is often listed between $30 to $35 in expert roundups. Pros: fast, smooth operation, durable build, includes extras, ideal for regular use. Cons: bulkier and heavier, lever style, than compact models, needs countertop space for operation. 2. Pulltaps Double Hinged Waiter's Corkscrew. Next up is the Pulltaps Double Hinged Waiter's Corkscrew, a go-to among sommeliers and pros. Its classic 2-step double hinge design, contoured steel handle, non-stick spiral worm, and built-in serrated foil blade all combine to deliver reliable, mess-free bottle opening. In recent comparisons, it was lauded by Serious Eats as the best overall wine opener after rigorous testing, prized for its lightweight, comfortable handle, 3.1 ounces, even leverage, and compact fold-up design. Pricing is generally under $30, with many retailers listing it close to $29 to $30. Pros: super reliable, compact, and light. Great leverage and precision, widely praised by reviewers. Cons: manual operation, less flashy than electric options. Foil cutting can require a moment of wrangling. 3. Cuisinart CWO-25 Electric Wine Opener. Cordless, stainless steel. Rounding out our trio is the Cuisinart CWO-25 Electric Wine Opener, ideal for anyone who craves a no-effort experience. This rechargeable cordless opener boasts a brushed stainless steel body, easy remove and eject buttons, and can pop open up to 50 bottles on a single charge. It also includes a charging base that conveniently stores the foil cutter. Currently, it's priced around $34 to $35, a fair value for its functionality and clean design. Pros: effortless operation, sleek and modern, great for parties or those with limited hand strength. Cons: requires charging, bulkier than manual models, electronics add complexity. So whether you love the mechanical flair of the Rabbit lever opener, trust the classic efficiency of the Pulltaps Waiter's Corkscrew, or prefer the streamlined simplicity of the electric Cuisinart, there's a perfect tool waiting to enhance your wine ritual. Which one fits your style best? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.